Shut that racket off, loser. What are you doing on your phone, huh? Get off. Now come on, we gotta go. Get your butt off the bed. Let's get out of here. You're always on that phone, you know. Like, who are you texting all the time? Seriously, cut it out. So sick of this. All this shopping to do. This up. Alright, put the bag in the car. You still like, get the bag. You're still on your stupid phone. That's it. You know what I'm gonna do with this? I'm gonna throw it. No, you're not getting it back here. The bag in the car. The bag in the car. No, you're not getting your phone in the car now. That's it, just in the car. That's it, in there.
Hey, I found your phone on the grass, and I just thought maybe.
No.